Hey guys, Sergio here in the Coach's Corner. We're going to be doing this every week, 3 times a week throughout this cycle, throughout this challenge, the Game Changers Challenge, as you can see behind me right there. So I'm very happy to have you with me. Really excited about these next 6 weeks together. It's going to be fantastic. So let's start off with values. And why are values important? Because values help guide our behaviors and actions and decisions. And why is that important? Well, because throughout the year, you're going to be faced with difficult decisions, difficult roadblocks that present themselves, difficult, even opportunities that come up that you have to make a choice, and choices are really important. Well, the values act as guide rails. Guide rails are going to help you decide what you stand for. Then it's very easy, either in or you're out. If you're out, you move on. If it's in the guide rails within your value set, then you go for it, right? These are the things that are important to you, the things that are of value, things that you would pay for, things that you would sacrifice for, and things that you would fight for. So I want you to think about those and write down 5 top values in your life. What are the most important things? Could be family, could be trust, could be adventure, could be a number of things, anything, right? But think about those things that are most important to you and write those down and get those down there, because those are going to help you all throughout the year. Thank you guys, and see you next time.